All right, everyone, listen up. There's a massive shift happening on YouTube. It's all about shorts. And guess what? Artificial intelligence is making it easier than ever. We're talking about creating killer content, content that can go viral, content that can actually make you money, serious money. Some creators are already pulling in up to $30,000 a month. Yes, you heard that right, $30,000 every single month from short, snappy videos. This isn't a dream, it's the new reality. So how is this even possible? Well, AI tools are changing the game completely. They're taking the heavy lifting out of content creation. Think about it. Script writing used to take hours. Voiceovers needed expensive equipment. Animation, that was for the pros. Not anymore. Now AI can help with all of it. This means you can produce more content, better content, and faster than ever before. It's about working smarter, not just harder. This is your chance to jump in. The beauty of using AI is its accessibility. You don't need a film degree, you don't need a fancy studio. All you need is a computer and the right AI tools. Okay, let's get practical. You want to make these monetizable shorts, right? So you need a plan, a roadmap. I'm going to give you that. We're going to walk through this together, step by step. It's simpler than you think. The key is using the right AI tools effectively. Don't worry, I'll point you to them. In fact, I've put together a document. It has all the tools, all the prompts, everything you need. You'll find a link to it in the description below. Make sure you grab that. First things first, we need ideas, viral ideas. We'll use an AI called ChatGPT for this. It's like having a brainstorming genius on call. Then we'll need a script. ChatGPT can help here too. It can even analyze successful video scripts. Talk about a shortcut. Next up, voice. We'll use a tool like 11 Labs. It creates incredibly realistic AI voices. Think professional American accents. Perfect for reaching a wide audience. This is all about maximizing your reach. After the voice, we need visuals. Nobody wants to watch a boring screen. This is where Hera AI comes in. It's an AI animation tool. It can create amazing visuals, even cool map animations, all from simple text prompts. Imagine that. You type what you want, the AI creates it. The foundation of any successful YouTube short is the topic. It has to be good. It has to be something people want to watch, something they search for, or something that just grabs them. This is where many creators stumble. They pick topics that are too niche, or just not interesting enough. We're not going to make that mistake. We're going to use AI to find viral gold. Specifically, we're using ChatGPT. It's brilliant for this. So how do you use ChatGPT to find these topics? You ask it. You can prompt it with things like, give me 10 viral YouTube shorts ideas about interesting historical facts. Or what are some trending challenges I can make a short about? Be specific, but also give it room to be creative. Think about evergreen topics too. Things people are always interested in, like amazing facts or life hacks. These have a long shelf life. They can keep getting views for months. Now, here's a pro tip. Focus on US-focused topics. Why? Higher RPMs. RPM means revenue per meal. Making awesome shorts is one thing. Getting paid for them is another. This is where the YouTube Partner Program, or YPPP, comes in. You need to be part of the YPP to monetize your shorts directly through YouTube's ad revenue sharing. It's not just about getting views. It's about meeting specific criteria. YouTube has rules, and we need to play by them. So let's break down what you need. It's important to get this right from the start. First, the big ones, subscribers and watch hours. For shorts monetization, the requirements are a bit different than for long-form videos. You need at least 1,000 subscribers. That's standard. But then, for shorts, you need 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. Yes, 10 million views in 90 days. It sounds like a lot. But viral shorts can rack up views incredibly fast. This is why a good strategy is crucial. Or you can qualify with 4,000 valid public watch hours on long-form videos. It's not just about the numbers though. Your channel also needs to follow YouTube's community guidelines and their monetization policies. This means no harmful content. Section 5. Scripting for Success AI-powered short stories. Alright, you've got a killer topic. Now you need a script. A short script. This means it needs to be concise, engaging, and deliver value or entertainment super fast. Attention spans are short, especially on shorts. You have seconds to hook someone. Literally seconds. This is where ChatGPT shines again. It can help you draft a script that hits all the right notes from just a few prompts. It's like having a professional scriptwriter on demand. Let's say your topic is 3 unbelievable facts about the human brain. You can feed this to ChatGPT. Ask it, Write a 150-word YouTube short script about 3 unbelievable facts about the human brain. Make it engaging and fast-paced. ChatGPT will generate a draft. It will pull out interesting facts. It will structure them, and it might even suggest some visual cues. Your job is to guide it to refine its output. This is a massive time saver. Section 6. Sounding like a pro AI voiceovers with 11 labs. Your script is polished. It's ready to go. Now it needs a voice. A clear, engaging voice. This is super important for shorts. If the audio is bad, people will swipe away instantly. But what if you don't like your own voice? Or don't have good recording equipment? No problem. AI voiceover tools like 11 Labs are here to save the day. This tool is incredible. It generates realistic, human-sounding voices from text. It's almost magic. When you use 11 Labs, you'll find a library of voices. My advice? Choose an American accented voice. Why? Because it generally has the broadest appeal, especially if you're targeting that US audience for higher RPMs. An American accent is widely understood and often perceived as standard in online content. 11 Labs offers various options: male voices, female voices, different tones. Listen to the samples. Pick one that fits the vibe of your content and your brand. Don't just pick any voice though, aim for professional quality. Some AI voices can sound a bit tinny or have strange inflections. 11 Labs is known for its high quality, natural sounding voices. Listen for clarity, for good pacing. Section 7. Visual Magic Animating Shorts with Hera AI. We've got a great script, we've got a killer voiceover. Now let's talk visuals. For shorts, visuals are everything. They need to be dynamic, eye-catching, and perfectly synced with your audio. Static images or boring B-roll won't cut it. You need something special. This is where Hera AI steps in. Hera AI is a fantastic tool for creating AI animations. It can bring your script to life in ways you might not have imagined. It's incredibly powerful. One of Hera AI's standout features is its templates. For example, they have a map animation template. This is perfect for shorts about geography, or travel, or historical events tied to locations. Imagine a short about the richest states in the USA. You could use Hera AI to create a cool animation, highlighting each state on a map. As the voiceover mentions it, this kind of visual storytelling is super engaging. It keeps viewers hooked and makes complex information easy to digest. Now remember, YouTube shorts are vertical. They use a 9:16 aspect ratio. So when you're using Hera AI or any visual tool, make sure your output is formatted correctly. Many templates in Hera AI can be adjusted. Section 8. Directing your AI animation prompts and production. Using Hera AI effectively comes down to your prompts. Just like with ChatGPT, the better your prompt, the better the animation. You need to clearly describe what you want the AI to create. Think like a director. What should be on screen? How should it move? What style are you going for? Be specific. For example, if your voiceover says first up is California, with its booming tech industry, your prompt for Hera AI could be something like this. Animate a map of the USA, zoom into California, highlight California in gold, show small icons representing technology, like a computer chip or a rocket, appearing over the state. See? That's a detailed prompt. It tells Hera AI the location, the action like zoom and highlight, the color, and even specific visual elements. The more guidance you give the AI, the closer the output will be to your vision. Experiment with different phrasings. See what works best. It's a creative process. Section 9. The Infinite Loop. Skyrocketing your shorts engagement. We're almost at the finish line. You've got your topic, your script, your AI voiceover, your AI animations all stitched together. But there's one more trick, a powerful one. It's called the loop effect. This is all about making your short seamlessly loop back to the beginning, so when it ends, it feels like it's starting over. Naturally, this can dramatically boost your engagement and your rewatchability. YouTube loves this. Why is the loop effect so powerful? Because it increases watch time. If viewers watch your short multiple times, even accidentally, that signals to YouTube that your content is engaging. The algorithm then pushes it out to more people, more views, more potential subscribers, more potential earnings. It's a virtuous cycle, and it's surprisingly easy to implement, especially with the kind of concise, fact-based shorts we're talking about. So go out there, experiment with AI,